In a recent Provincial Coordinating Committee meeting for ZANU-PF held at Chinhoyi University of Technology, the atmosphere was charged, to say the least. Imagine this. Mid-discussion, Ziambi, a key Politburo member, just stands up and walks out. But why, you ask? Well, it's all down to some deep-seated factionalism within the province of Mashonaland West. This isn't just about disagreement on policies or leadership styles, it's a full-blown battle for control and influence within the party. The meeting was supposed to be a regular affair, but it quickly escalated with interruptions and accusations flying across the room. They were grappling over a restructuring exercise in the party, but it turned into much more. Christopher Mutsvangwa, another prominent figure, was reportedly stirring the pot by ignoring previous agreements, intensifying the already fiery atmosphere. Now, while some tried to downplay the incident, suggesting Ziambi left for a hospital visit, the cracks were pretty visible. It's like watching a drama unfold, but the stakes are real and high. Leaders like Douglas Mombashora, Webster Shamu, and Marion Chombo are picking sides, aligning with Mutsvangwa, while others stand with Ziambi. This internal power struggle isn't just a passing cloud, it's a storm that's been brewing. So what does this mean for ZANU-PF and Zimbabwe's political landscape? It's clear that unity is on shaky ground. And these factional battles aren't just about who gets what position, but they could shape the future direction of governance and leadership in the country. In the world of politics, where power plays are common, Zimbabwe's situation is a textbook case of factionalism that could either be a stepping stone to reform or a stumbling block to progress. As we watch this unfold, one thing's for sure: the road ahead is anything but smooth. That's it from me today. If you're intrigued by the power dynamics and political struggles, keep your eyes on Zimbabwe. There's much more to this story than meets the eye. Catch you in the next video.